Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, actually, I was very much excited about our discussion regarding Bimazan coming to our college, so I was wondering if there is any update.
I am sorry, Mitra. Our college has made every effort to bring Bimazan to campus. However, they regretfully informed us that they will only visit Tier 1 institutions because the recruitment rate is higher there.
But, sir, all my achievements, all my hard works, I am a 5-star Modchef coder who has won multiple district hackathons. Do my accomplishments have no worth?
I am very sorry. Sir, good evening. I have called you again to see if you would be interested in visiting our college.
We have contemplated it extensively. However, we regret to inform you that we will not be able to visit your college after considerable thought.
But sir, we have a high achieving student body that outperforms many of the greatest colleges in the country.
Mr. X, for example, going to college for recruitment would cost us a lot of money and time, and if the results don't meet our standards, we'll be out a lot of money. I sincerely apologize.
Hey, I heard that Bimazan cancelled. How are you doing?
I'm not sure actually, I've spent years honing my CV and now I won't even be considered for a proper position.
I was in a similar scenario not long ago, but our college decided to subscribe to Act2Hire.
What exactly is it? I haven't heard about Act2Hire before.
It's an app that allows students to connect with dream companies and present their CV to them directly. Wait, I will send you the link. You can go ahead and take a look of it.
Act2Hire is a new generation app which helps students not only to keep track of their activity throughout their bachelor degree but also to connect to their dream companies directly. Keep track of all your accomplishments in one location. Just your CV can explain all your achievements. Get a track record of your progress for your entire bachelor's degree. Are you concerned about your placement because of your tier? Look and apply for job openings at your favorite firms and share your life profile as well as your whole set of achievements to them. The college can keep a track of their students' accomplishments and progress. Examine what your students are most interested in and invest in that. Keep up with the most recent job openings. Boost and boost your hiring. Why waste money on flights, hotels and recruiters when you can hire the finest 2-hour app at a fraction of the cost? You can post jobs and filter through real-time profiles. Download the students' data and real-time accomplishments with just one click. Hire not just from a CV, see the real-time progress of every candidate. Hire them when you need them.